Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to select and add templates. It's very easy, and before we begin, let's understand an overview of the funnel that we've just set up. So this is an opt-in funnel, and it has a two-step funnel over here. On the left is the first step, which is an opt-in page followed by a thank you page. And this icon down below is an icon that indicates that there's no template selected, and therefore that this is the icon. Once a template is selected, this icon will not appear anymore. You can select your templates from a list of templates, and there are a lot of choices. Let's scroll down and see all the choices available for us to select for an opt-in. So that's quite a lot of templates, and what happens is that ClickFunnels will periodically update and add new templates from time to time. All the templates are categorized into different categories. All the categories are available on the top here, which is the opt-in category, sales category, webinar, auto webinar, membership, ClickPop, and miscellaneous. It's important to note that different categories have different functions and objectives and different types. So under the opt-in there are two types, which the email opt-in template and a thank you template. Under sales you would have a sales page template, product launch, order form, one-click upsell, one-click downsell, and order confirmation. It's important to note that for certain templates, the elements are unique to the template itself, so in this case, the order form has a unique element to capture and accept credit card information. What this means is that when you select a template, it needs to be the same as the objectives that you have planned out, and also the page type. So under webinar, there is the registration, thank you, and broadcast form. Under auto webinar, there is registration. Then you can replay room. Under membership, there are two types, member access and membership area. Under ClickPop, these are the list of your ClickPop templates, and under miscellaneous, these are your miscellaneous templates. You can also search for templates if you know exactly what you want or the type of templates you're looking for. So if you have one click over here, it'll show you suggestions. For example, if you're looking for a two-step, a video template, a squeeze template, thank you template, dark colored template, light, blue, green, red, testimonial-based or minimalistic template. You can also show your own templates that you made and sort by top converting templates. What this means is that when you click this option, you will sort the list of templates available in that category and sort it by the top converting as tested and proven by ClickFunnels. In this example, because I'm doing an opt-in funnel, and it is a two-step funnel, so my first funnel step is an opt-in, so we go under the category of opt-in and select email opt-in. And what we're going to do next is sort by top converting. And when I do this, ClickFunnels recommends these top three as the top converting templates, which are the dark opt-in box, the big blur opt-in, the wood two-step opt-in. So for this example, let's select a dark opt-in box, and before you select a template, you can either preview it, or if you like the template, just click Select Template. And there you have it. It's pretty easy, and ClickFunnels has automatically added and loaded the template. You will notice that under the opt-in here, the icon that says that there is no template is gone. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to edit the template. You can also preview the page Split Test if you're doing Split Test, and edit the page Split Test settings. So there you go, a very easy video on how to select and add templates into your ClickFunnels page.